So today I'm doing the upgrade again in my computer. The motherboard that I had, the old motherboard that I had, was working well, but it started turning off for no freaking reason. I don't even know. There's something wrong with the motherboard. Somehow the motherboard doesn't want to recognize my video card either. It was working, then it stopped working, then it started going on and off. I made a video about it too. So spent a few dollars to upgrade this motherboard, and it kind of got messed up. So now I got this. I got a new chip right here. I have a new motherboard. This is gonna be the upgrade for my game computer. This doesn't have the piece to hold this. It's not the same, so I made my own bracket. So I'm gonna connect that bracket here because I like this. I like this fan. This keeps my CPU very cool under 27. So that's great, especially when I play games. So I'm gonna install it here. I got the parts in my little case with all my computer parts. So, and this CPU is one of the latest ones, very fast. It has a fan in here, cooling fan, but I like this one better. Much bigger, you get more air and keeps it cooler. So I'm not gonna use it. But let's start out upgrade, and give me a few, all right? And I'll show you once it's done. This is my computer chest with all my computer stuff. So I keep all my stuff to build. I love this thing. So I'm gonna start looking for the stuff. I just wanted to show you this. So let me start doing my work. Look at this beauty, huh? Look at this freaking motherboard. Look how beautiful this thing over is. That's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI. Look how beautiful. Freaking love this board. Nice and black, my favorite color. So what I was saying before, this piece right here, I had to make my own bracket. Because I like that big CPU cooler. It has, one here has, it's LED and stuff like that, you know. But I like this one. I like the biggest one right here. Where's that? Right here. I like that baby right there. So that's the old one. You see what I was telling you? That the bracket is. This piece. This one is different. So I made my own. Once I do, I'll show you guys. Fucking love this board. This cost me $175 in Best Buy. This is the same thing, $175 in Best Buy. It'll offer you almost $400 in board and computer motherboard and CPU. So let's do this. So I just finished making my own bracket. I baked this bracket before. I was missing one. I made a new one, this one right here. Solid in place. Same here. Solid. Look at this. I will never go nowhere. Little know-how. And look, I got the bracket done. I finished doing the upgrade on my computer. I know you guys gonna say, "Wait a minute, you did this before." Yeah, what happened is the other motherboard is an old motherboard. It was a very old motherboard. So I think it's like 7 years old, and it was working fine. The other thing it started turning off. Plus, my new video card, it wasn't compatible for with the motherboard. The motherboard couldn't handle the video card, so it kept shutting off my computer. And to avoid any damage, that video card cost me $1,100. So I decided to buy. I had a credit in Best Buy, but they were cool. So they gave me the CPU and the motherboard. Came out to five and change, but they gave me a discount. Came out to almost $400 for both. So I did the upgrade. Everything's running the way it's supposed to. The only difference is in this motherboard, the bracket was different from the previous motherboard. So I made my own bracket, and it's working perfect. So now instead of being the other side, the other way, now it's facing up and down. Before it was facing either side, and I like it better that way. But the way this motherboard is shaped, that's the only way I was able to connect the CPU with a large cooler radiator, whatever you call that shit. So this is working. All the lights are working. All the fans are running. I changed one of the fans direction. Now it's pulling out instead of pulling in. I got, it's running the way it's supposed to. I freaking like it. So yeah. So now I'm gonna check. This one came with Bluetooth and wireless antenna. The other one I had to buy a different. I had to buy one of those wireless cards. So I'm thinking to take it back to return it. Well, anyway, this is what I got. It's running the way it's supposed to. So let's see. I want to start playing some games because I couldn't play games. My video card was dragging too much. It was the video was frozen up on me, and I was getting killed. So let's see. Let me see if I did all the updates. I'm gonna start playing. I'm down playing anyway. So later. Peace.